How to prevent razor burn. There is nothing quite as frustrating as cleaning up with a close shave, only to suffer from razor burn, a common skin irritation that occurs after shaving. Razor burn can appear on any part of your body, from your face to your bikini line. But there are ways to combat this unsightly and uncomfortable condition. By following the steps below, you can minimize the effects of razor burn and shaving-related skin irritation. Making changes to your routine. Use fresh razors. Razors that have been used many times become dull and grow bacteria, two problems that significantly worsen razor burn. Use new razors every 2 weeks or 5 uses, and clean your razor well after every use. Go in the right direction. Shave with the grain of the hair, in short, deliberate strokes. Shaving against the grain increases the odds of ingrown hairs, irritation, and inflamed skin. Long strokes often cause one to press down too hard on the skin, increasing razor contact and making razor burn more likely. Shave at night. Shaving your hair in the morning typically precedes the application of some product, for example, deodorant after shaving your armpits. Additionally, throughout the day you are likely to sweat and come into contact with bacteria and toxins from the air. The combination of all these things with your freshly shaved face greatly increases the likelihood of razor burn. Prevent this by simply shaving at night before heading to bed, where you will be less likely to dirty the area. Shave in the shower. Even when you dampen your skin before shaving, your hair doesn't have enough time to soften and become easier to shave. Take a hot shower and shave after a few minutes. The heat and moisture will soften your hairs and make them easier to remove. Don't wait too long, though, as waiting 10 minutes or longer will swell up your skin and leave you with a bit of stubble after you've cooled down and dried off. Clean your razor regularly. If you shave without rinsing your blade, you might be increasing your chances for razor burn. The buildup of hair and product in the blades of your razor forces you to push down with more pressure on subsequent swipes, making it more likely that you'll irritate or cut the skin. Thoroughly rinse your razor after every pass you take on your skin to remove all hair and buildup between the blades. Splash your skin with cold water. After every finished shave, splash your skin with cold water to close up the pores. This will constrict the skin and help to close any small cuts or ingrown hairs that are forming. Dip the blade in rubbing alcohol after the final rinse. Blades last much longer than most people think. The apparent dulling of the blade is due to the formation of microscopic teeth on the edge, made up of mineral crystals from the water. These drag against the skin, causing the blade to grab and producing cuts and much of the razor burn. The alcohol will displace the water and the minerals within it, and evaporate without leaving a residue. Store the razor with the blade edges upward.